Hey everybody, welcome to today's episode of Drunken Sailor. You know, it's a beautiful summer day, and when you think of summer, you think of rum. Well, at least sailors do. So today we're going to use a beautiful Puerto Rican drink, and it's called the Pina Colada. In the famous words of that great songster, Rupert Holmes, I like pina coladas. So with that, let's get started. First off, we use the Creme de Coconut. Now I found this stuff, it comes in a plastic jar, it's great. You can put it back in the refrigerator when you're done using it. But we're going to put 1 ounce of Creme de Coconut, and that goes in the shaker. Now we do the Creme de Coconut first because it's pretty thick, sticks to the jigger. We want to use it all. So next what we're going to do is rum, and that'll help rinse it out. We are going to use 3 ounces of rum. That's an optional quantity. The good thing about rum drinks is you can use however much you like. We're going to use 3 on here. Next, we're going to use 3 ounces of pineapple juice. And then we're going to fill the shaker with ice. And we're going to give it a good shake. We're then going to take a hurricane glass. We're going to fill that with crushed ice. And then strain into the hurricane glass. Now, as I said, the joy of this is you can put as much rum as you want in there. So what we're going to do is take and make a little bit of coloration in there, and we're going to take a dark rum and just float a little bit on top. And then there's only one thing left, and that's the garnish. So we're going to use a pineapple wedge, we're going to use a maraschino cherry, we're going to throw a straw in there, and then you're going to have to fight the ladies off. Remember, if you liked it, subscribe to Drunken Sailor, and always drink responsibly.